everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy 2024. Welcome to the new year. Happy New Year everyone. I hope you had a lovely festive break. I'm back with my first video of the new year and honestly I have never felt more inspired to create content, to try new pieces and honestly to almost pad out my capsule wardrobe and to bring a bit more life to it and just feel a bit more like me this year. It's no secret that over the past year I have been curating a capsule wardrobe. I've been really putting together those basics that form a really interchangeable, mostly neutral capsule wardrobe, and as much as I love that, I have found more and more that I've become uninspired with my clothes. I am not really excited to get ready in the morning because I try on my clothes and they're not giving me energy. They're giving me dullness, and I want to share with you my journey in elevating and padding out and bringing back a bit more excitement into my wardrobe and almost rediscovering my style a little bit. So I hope you're excited for that journey. Today's video is going to be kicking off that kind of new series and new styling content, and I'm going to be sharing with you 4 ways that you, if you want to, can add to a capsule wardrobe and essentially make it a little bit less boring and more interesting and fun. So that's what today's video is going to focus on. If you are excited for it, please do give it a big old thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get started. There are 4 different categories that I want to share with you on ways and items that you can include in your capsule wardrobe to make it a little bit more fun, a little bit more interesting and a little bit less boring. The first category I'm going to chat about is of course colour. Colour is something that if you want to, you can add to your capsule wardrobe to make it a little bit more fun, to make it a bit more interesting and just to add a little bit more life and personality. I'm a firm believer in your wardrobe reflects your personality, and if you're dressed in an outfit that you feel really comfortable, really confident and really happy in, that is going to help you through your day. I haven't worn colour in a long time and it's definitely something that I am going to include more of in 2024. I have a couple of pieces I wanted to share with you and they are absolutely beautiful. So this is a mango blouse. This one is a new addition to my wardrobe. I thought this kind of blouse is a perfect addition to a more neutral capsule wardrobe because it is a light pastel lilac colour. I love blouses so much. I always have, and I feel like I've almost got rid of a lot of them because they didn't fit into the classic capsule wardrobe style. But I'm going to be adding them back in this year and I'm really happy and excited about that. Another way I have been adding a bit of colour in the winter is by wearing this coat. This is actually from Matalan and I bought this in the sale a year ago. So I got this for like £10, which is ridiculous. So definitely go and check out the sales if you're looking for new things. This one is quilted. It is this beautiful, I would say, vertigon between mint and sage green colour, and I love adding this with whites, with creams. It also works well with blacks as well if you want to wear it with that, and it's just a really nice piece to add some colour. Another way that I've been adding a bit of colour is through outerwear and through layering. So you've probably seen this gilet if you follow me over on Instagram or TikTok. This is my Great Plains gilet and it's just beautiful in this really soft, almost a dark grey lilac-y colour. Again, I think it's just such a lovely, lovely colour and it's just nice to add something different to a pretty basic capsule wardrobe. The second way you can add some interest is by adding some pattern and print into your capsule wardrobe. Now, it is no secret that I am a fan of print. I love almost wearing a print as a neutral, and I think these pieces have been working really well for me so far. So the print doesn't have to be mad. If you're kind of just stepping out of your comfort zone slightly, start with something a little bit easier to ease you in. So I, for example, have been wearing this herringbone coat quite a lot. This, again, it's a print and it's a pattern, but it's subtle enough that you can add it to your other capsule wardrobe pieces and it's not going to frighten you too much, but it's still going to add something a little bit more interesting to your plainer outfit. A bit more of an exciting print is adding a jacket with a floral print on it. I really love a floral print. I think they look so lovely. This is a mango quilted cropped jacket, and I think this is just such a lovely piece to add a bit more colour, a bit more excitement, a bit more fun, and it just has this beautiful print which I am obsessed with. Another thing I wanted to share with you was a matching set. So this is brand new. I haven't actually tried this one on yet, but I wanted to share it as an example of a way that you could add a pattern or a print into an otherwise quite plain capsule wardrobe. This also has this beautiful green stripe to it as well. But add this to a pair of neutral trousers and you've livened up your look a little bit, you've made it a little bit more interesting. I think a matching set is a really nice way to go because it works nicely together. You don't have to worry about what colour cardigan or what colour jumper you would wear because it already matches. The next way you can make your capsule wardrobes a bit more interesting is by playing with texture. An example of this is this really gorgeous t-shirt which I have from Mango, but it's actually fluffy. It's a really kind of faux furry t-shirt, and I love wearing this with my more basic items, just again to add more interest to it. It's nice when all the rest of your items, they might be quite tailored, they might be quite plain, they might be quite simple. It's nice to add something with a bit of a different texture to elevate the outfit and just again add more interest to it. Another way you can do this is with your outerwear. So for example, this is a boucle jacket which is also from Mango. This kind of thing, again, you can add texture, you can add a little bit of interest, you can make your outfits more interesting to look at and also just more fun for you as well. So this is a lovely option to do. When you're adding textures, it doesn't necessarily need to be something really bold and really scary and out there. You can just simply add textures using more basic staple pieces. For example, this cardigan. This one is embroidered on the shoulders, which adds a bit of texture and a bit of interest, so you can add texture this way as well. And the last really easy way to add a little bit more interest to a capsule wardrobe is by exploring shapes. So we often see in capsule wardrobes, shapes are quite straight, they're quite structured, they're quite kind of masculine. But I really love adding a puffball sleeve. I love adding oversized, voluminous tops and shirts. And this is an example of one of my most ever worn tops. And it is this warehouse blouse which I've had for years, and I wear it time and time again because it's a more interesting shape than a normal t-shirt or a normal shirt. And it's got that feminine edge with the puffball sleeves, the ruffles. It's got a bow on the neckline here. And it's really nice to pair with those capsule wardrobe staples, but it does add that layer of interest. Similarly, this black blouse, which is a new addition in my wardrobe, it was for winter 23. It's just H&M, but again, you can see these extra big puffball sleeves. You can see that the blouse has a bit of texture detail to it. It's really lovely. It's definitely worth considering adding some different shapes that you enjoy to your capsule wardrobe. It doesn't have to be a puff sleeve blouse like me because this is what I enjoy, but find something that you enjoy and add that kind of shape to your wardrobe. Alternatively, you can consider adding some shape with your trousers or jeans by going for a different style. So these ones are a wide leg culotte style. They're different to the straight leg and to the mum jeans. You could consider going for a flare. You could consider going for pleated trousers or maybe something a little bit ruched. It's totally up to you, but it's just nice to explore and try out new things, add different colours and textures into your wardrobe, add different shapes, and it'll just bring a whole new lease of life to your existing items and yeah, hopefully make getting dressed a little bit more fun again. So I hope you have found this video helpful. If you have, please do give it a big old thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button for new videos from me every single week. Thank you as always for watching, and I'll see you really soon for the next one. Bye!